Guys, look at this. So we're gonna be reviewing some really cool stuff that we got from the stores. So the first one, Party City. We got this stuff from Party City.
Unicorn!
Yep.
Okay, I love you.
We even got a lovebird. Ooh. We even have this fox. So how these work is, look, you have one of these. You could open up the top.
It's a skunk.
I'm just showing you just in case you guys don't work. Because I don't know how popular they are. So
Okay.
this one doesn't work that good. But do you guys know which one works the worst / best? This one I would say is the worst, but I would say it's the best too. Oh, look at that. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys could see it. Look, we need more light. Let me just see if I could get more light. Okay, guys, right now we are at my desk. And it's because that over there, it's not a lot of light. And over here, I have a light. Look at that. So, yeah. So now I have even more light. Let me see if I can make it more light. Okay, good. And guys, this is how it is if I turn it off. It's just going to be weird. So I got to turn it on. So back to the stamps. You just
Guys,
oh, this one looks like blood. That's why I don't use this one that
Can I
often. Look.
Good.
Guys, by the way, okay, that's weird. I even got this from the Dollar Tree. These I got at Party City. So, let's show Party City. Oh, what is that? He's dancing. Oh my gosh. I just move it. Oh. Guys, I got this balloon, but guess what? It landed on Barbie almost. I got this from Walgreens. It's like a squishy, basically.
The unicorn is dead.
No, she's not. Look, if I ring Barry the bell, she'll come back alive. See? She's always gonna be alive. So, back to this, guys. Look. Does it look nice? You could write things on here. Look. What should I write? I'm gonna write it.
Guys, they had heavens. You can buy it.
I love
You.
my friends and family. I love my friends and family. Let's go get a piece of tape and hang it up. Here it is. I'm gonna hang it up now. Oh, and I gotta write my signature. There. I love my friends and family. Vanessa. Right there. Let me show it to you guys. Could you guys see it? It's nice, right? Oh, I'm sorry, Barbie.
That's okay.
Barbie, you have to come a little more this way. Okay, guys. And I even have these mini ones, but I don't know what to write on them. So if you have any idea,
You guys.
tell me. I'll write it on here, and I'll write your name on this. Okay? And it's a promise. And guys, now let me show you the next part of this video. Are you okay? Oh, you guys could even probably see we are watching Descendants 3. Okay, so here's Barry the Pelican. Oh, and we're doing slime reviewing now. I'll pick up that cap.
Hey, can I feel the slime?
Okay, here it is, guys. This one I got from the Dollar Tree. I think some people call it the dollar store. That's what I call it. I'm making it extra purple with this marker. Okay, let me mix it up. Ah, look at this, guys. So here it is. What is it called? It's called glittery slime. No, glitter slime. It says, do not keep away from the heat. So do not use it in the heat, because that won't be good. Oh, and by the way, I got this doll from Five Below.
Hey!
And this horsey is from the Dollar Tree as well, / dollar store. And as you guys could see, I lost my tooth. Okay, who's ready for the next slime? Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notifications if you are. Let me get this slime. Okay, guys, look at this slime. It may just look like it's nothing. It's just frozen, but no. It's actually a putty. And the answer to this is called Slimy Brainy Putty.
Slimy Brainy Putty. Yeah.
Look at this. It's so slimy. And it's like putty. So it's like cool. So let's do it. So look at this. What if I just put on one dot? Would that look nice? I think that one looks bad. Like when it's too purple. Okay, here it is. Okay, please, May. I don't want you to start this now. Okay, guys, the next one. We're almost done, guys. We got this butter slime. Did I use it in this YouTube channel or my other YouTube channel? Just in case, look at my other YouTube channel to see some more awesomeness and see every single video I did in this channel. Okay? Let me make more light. Good. How's that? Look at this. This is called no, Barbie, turn it on. It's called Super Stretchy, Oddly Satisfying Butter Mint Chocolate Chip Slime. Guys, so look at this. It's butter slime. Did you guys ever Please don't ring Barry the bell right now, Barbie. We're in the middle of a video.
Barry the bell.
Guys, and do you guys have a YouTube channel? If you do, give this video another thumbs up. And comment down below. And guys, and comment down below and say, hey, I have a YouTube channel. And the name is, I don't know. So just write your YouTube channel name if you have one, and create one if you don't have one right now, so you could become famous like me. Not again. Okay, so I got the butter slime.
Plus, look, she's standing on the walls. Ow.
Okay, guys, let's put this in. Come on, I'm actually gonna put it in.
Okay.
Okay, guys, now let's move on
to
the next slime.
No!
Okay, we're on this slime now, and it's really cool actually. It's not bad.
Color change on your hand.
Yeah, a color changes on your hand, like this. It could turn purple to pink. And once you stop touching it for like 1 hour, it turns back to its normal shade, like this. Guys, I'm gonna try to make a slime bubble, so stand back. Everybody stand away from their phones. I sometimes fail, I sometimes don't, but I mostly do. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's going down. Okay, guys. These slimes are really cool. It will soon color change the more I play with it, but I'm putting it back in. Don't tell me you guys are only looking at Descendants. I'm gonna cover it so you look at me. Okay. The last slime, but not the least. It's this glowing slime. Just because I turned off these sentences is not just because that you could stop watching this video. Watch me, okay? Mo! So let me put the ball in here. Guys, are you ready? Guys, oh, it's popped. Well, I have a perfect idea. Why don't I try... Guys, be quiet with Barry the Bell right now, please. I need to poke it. Because I heard one time, if you don't poke it, then people might get mad. So you must poke your slime.
No.
Barbie, you have to.
I want people to get mad at me.
Okay. Then get in the time now. Okay, guys, this time I'm gonna draw on it a lot.
No. That will be weird.
It will be better.
It looks weird already.
It looks so nice like this. I'm gonna add in more. I'm adding color into this slime with this marker, so. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh, it's not that bad.
That was bad.
Okay, guys. I guess it's time to end the video, but look, guys, I still want to see you. Oh, and did you guys know that Barbie started preschool and she made this crown?
I love to eat
Well, guys,
bananas.
Guys, I think you guys have to go. Well, oh, don't forget to put on perfume into the next video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!